Welcome to the section on corrective measures. In this section, we shall look at three corrective measures, that's data augmentation, the LSH attention, transfer learning, that's by using pre-trained models like the BERT, and fine-tuning them for the question answering task. Let's start with the data augmentation task, that's data augmentation with back translation. Now, supposing we have this input context, deep learning has been successfully applied to financial fraud and all of this. What we could do is we could use a neural machine translation model to convert this into another language, like say French, where we have now l'apprentissage en profondeur est appliqué avec succès à la détection de la fraude financière et au blanchiment d'argent and all of that. So instead of having this, we now have this French translation, and then we convert this back to English. Notice that this conversion to English generally will not be exactly the same as what we had for the context. So this means that we are able to recreate the context a bit differently while maintaining the same sense, but by sometimes changing some of the words or adding up some words. So in this example, we have deep learning has been successfully applied, while here we have deep learning is successfully applied. We see already that this bean is taken off. And throughout, we also have some other points where there are differences between this version and this other version. Now, this means that we could be able to generate, for example, K context based on just one context using this same technique. And this could be scaled to all the different contexts we have in our data set. As we know, this will go a long way in solving the problem of overfitting, since we now have a larger data set to train on.